right before COVID hit. The fam and I went to England, and this is how it turned out. In this episode of the Hoods Exploring Another Country, we have a tea party in a bus. It was a tight fit for both my dad and I, but we managed, 6'1" and all. Then we head over to the Eye of London. It was amazing. Without further ado, enjoy the video. Bird just took off. Oh, it's 11:33, so we still got an hour, right? Yeah. An hour to explore all this. That's the pizzeria we want to go to afterwards, hopefully. Hopefully you'll see some footage of that. Kind of scary. While editing this, I just now noticed, if you look at the top right of the screen, this man has a death wish. Watch what he does. There's a pigeon again. They're trying to think of the name of it because suppose they remember. Oh, cop. Here we go. The chase begins. They don't care what side of the road they're on.
That's the National Gallery.
National Gallery. That's National Gallery. Not sure what that called?
Yeah, it's famous again.
It's famous. We don't know what it is. There's our ride. We're here.
Oh, I can't get it, dude. Way too close.
You didn't take your other lens?
What? Yeah, I did. I just didn't want to change it because this video is good.
Okay, what are we trying first? I'm so tempted to try that, but...
Oh, you gotta eat this.
Yeah, we gotta eat our... Yeah, that's fine. And this smells so interesting. Smell it.
Ooh,
What is it? Like, it reminds me of something.
like pizza.
Oh, yeah, pizza. What is it?
I almost want to try English breakfast tea.
English
It's
breakfast tea?
bright, strong, and full of flavor, so it wouldn't be that flavorless crap.
Yeah, I was wondering why it's always flavorless and just flavorless with a little bit of tea though. Yeah.
I don't know what this is, but I'm going to
Okay, try it, Mom. Because I'm not going to film myself doing it.
Are you doing it? Try that first.
What does it taste like?
It reminds me of pizza.
Really?
I don't know why.
Keelan, you try. Just flake a piece off.
It literally reminds me of pizza.
What?
Pizza.
Pizza? Really? So the bread's going to taste like pizza, Dad. That's what I've been told.
Pret, that's where you can buy like pre-made like foods. Like you just pick it up and go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, without the sauce.
I don't really want that.
Interesting, right?
Yeah.
It's tasty.
Tastes like roast beef.
Ah. It does indeed. Honestly, I'm not going to film most of this because I kind of want to just dig in. So I'm just going to show you good video footage of it first off, and then we'll just dig in and show you the aftermath. So yeah, so we got some salmon, whatever that is. What is that? Pickles?
It's like, no, it's like cucumber sandwich.
Cucumber sandwich, and then we got a ham cheese sandwich underneath, same on that side, and then we got turkey sandwich.
No, that looks like roast beef, maybe.
Roast beef, maybe. We got all these desserts.
Break into the sandwich.
I'll try it really quick. Yeah. The salmon with cucumber. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, well, time to dig in. We're gonna get hot chocolate, all of us except for Dad. What are you getting?
English breakfast tea.
English breakfast tea. I'll let you know if that tastes good or not, but we are going to just eat right now. Oh no, that'd be horrible if those were blood muffins. Don't even joke about that, Dad.
Dad, take the first one.
Another one has English the nuts and labels.
Okay.
The Germany shake rolls when the earliest record we have being a time is 13 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
There's a filling.
It's a lemon meringue.
Yep. It's like a little lemon meringue pie.
You can't see it because the whipped cream's covering it.
The meringue.
There, now you can see the filling.
Is the lemon meringue fun?
I was expecting there just to be like meringue on top and that's it. Yeah, it's lemon. That's nice, dude.
She doesn't like lemon. Daddy will eat it, put it down.
Oh, cop's coming. Or no, ambulance.
Take a picture of it.
We swear they don't. The emergency people here don't have any decibel limits with the freaking sirens. They're so loud. Yeah, but it's softer than a biscuit and it's like velvet looking. So I'm kind of hoping this will taste good. Here goes nothing, shall we all?
Dad's not ready.
Okay.
Oh my god.
On the right hand side, you can see the V&A Museum.
They have a filling on the inside.
Yeah, it's like raspberry and cream.
Yeah. What is the topper?
Do 2 bites.
You can do 2 bite, yeah.
Chocolate cake.
Is that mom Catherine?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Somebody else. That's mom's Catherine. Oh yeah, can you stand up?
Oh yeah, we can stand up finally. So short. That was the bus. That was pretty fun. The only downside that me and my dad can both contest to is the fact that it's super uncomfortable for tall people. Like it's super uncomfortable for tall people. Like it's like it feels because you're short. For people that are tall, it feels like being at like a kid's play set and like having tea with a kid. That's what it feels like. You know, that tiny little chair, tiny little table. It feels just like that. But besides that, the food was delicious. You know, and yeah, it was a good tour. Yeah, so we got to see a lot of London really quick, well, as quick as the traffic allows. But you know, it was fun. That's what happened. Don't touch the water. Oh my gosh, look at that. Like they're filling it up, or it's like the wind's blowing it perfectly.
Caleb, let's go over here with the water.
It's pretty cool. This is a tall butt building. Shit. Too bad like the clouds are too bright, so I can't focus on the dark objects with this camera, but it's fine. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Does anyone want to go see art? That's a natural gallery.
Heck no. Art's boring.
We went down the second street.
That's awesome.
Need the help.
Gavin! I thought we were gonna go more in the center.
No, you gotta have the map behind you. Can't do that there.
Okay, cool. It won't let us go on the royal capsule. Yeah, they do stop every time.
Not every time.
They have so far. Oh no, they started going again. Never mind.
No, that one, they didn't stop.
This one stopped. See, look, it stopped. Next time on Hood Family Travels.
Now, just like it was during production, everything. Now he was a tall man standing at 6'3", about the same height as the same next to me here.
Oh, cool. No problem. That's so cool. They gotta cover it with nets up there so these birds don't get in, but it's pretty cool. Real cool, like all this is great just for the movie. I'm assuming this is real. No, it's not. Number 4, my lucky number.
If you look to